I just
started
started
under
the
there a
video.
little bit more, Eric.
Yeah, I just started the video. You can take a before and after, Eric?
Yeah, I got a picture.
Okay. So explain to the crowd what's going on.
We're going to blow the fridge sky high. Set this under there, get it closer to off the ground.
Good idea, Ryan. That's the engineer right there. All right. Navigate through here. Ooh. Did you get it?
Mm-hmm.
No.
So it's going to lift the entire interior off the top? Hopefully. My calculations are correct.
Who's shooting this? Anybody got extra earplugs?
There's a pair on the ground over there. I got a pair in my pocket. Hold on there, Doug.
The fridge is back there. Doug is the marksman this time.
We can move that bench over here too, Doug.
I think if I just get higher.
Oh, hey, you're caught your foot.
Ryan, go stand up by that shed so you can get a better look at it. Can you see it, Doug?
What's in the way?
Hey, what if we move it over and get it from here?
You can probably shoot through them.
This is going to go right through that shed roof.
You leaned it forward, right? Oh, it's those weeds. There's a bunch of weeds up there. I thought that was going to be the problem.
No, they were right in this side.
Thank you.
Ben's pressing against the windows.
They're a little dirty.
They have wax in them?
Huh? Probably.
He's not going to know what hit him.
It might be
We'll know it's a refrigerator, though.
Hey, where'd Johnson go? Anybody else need him?
Yeah, I'll take it. Oh, you got the good ones.
Hey, wait for Johnson.
Yeah, I was going to be like, I don't even see it.
I'm way too far away from the refrigerator.
Where's Johnson? Let's go before you're ready, Doug. He's upstairs.
Oh, here he is.
Hurry up. Okay.
Did you forget to load it, Doug?
Brian, you got earplugs? No. All right. Everybody ready?
Yep.
Range is hot.
Here we go.
Take it aim. What fridge?
That's like you can feel that shit.
Holy cow.
I'm gonna at least get shot in the air.
We should have known it was just gonna. Is that the door? Or that's the side paneling then?
Hold on, I want to get an after picture of all this.
That is the door.
Is that it? Or what is that back there?
I don't know. It's in a million pieces back
How
here.
is it still standing up?
I don't know. Look at this. What'd you say?
Look at the crater!
And Austin said he just heard it too.
Try to.
Wait, where are the cinder blocks? They're in pieces.
Look at the blast zone!
There's more of the cinder block. That was not there either.
Who's going to Hummer's?
Cinder blocks are in pieces.
We need another one.
Another fridge or?
He said some guys out north of town a couple weeks ago mixed 40 pounds of this together.
Yeah, probably take that for an hour.
What happened to it? I put one on top of it.
That's fucking awesome.
Now we gotta clean this up.
I don't know if I will, but how many people realize
Alan said that's what your shed's for.
I was really thinking that was gonna go through that
He's gonna grab the compressor.
Is that the compressor?